The Cubanelle pepper is a fine substitute for banana peppers and bell peppers. This particular pepper is grown in a pot, and you can see it takes on more the resemblance of a banana pepper, but the flesh is actually thicker than a banana pepper, and it turns all kinds of colors. These are turning orange and red, as you can see here, and this is compared to a banana pepper that's being grown currently. You can also plant them in the ground, and they'll take on even more shape. These appear to be more like a bell pepper, and of course they will pick up colors as well, but the flesh is not as thick as a bell pepper. However, some people use these as substitutes for banana pepper, some people use them for substitutes for bell pepper, and we will be using these personally as a substitute for both, and that will eliminate the need to grow 3 different types of peppers. The Scoville on these is about 100 to 1,000, so it's a mild sweet, and as indicated here, they take on all kinds of colors and shape. They're really interesting peppers. It is a capsicum annum, meaning the peppers grow down instead of up, and they will get very bright red if you allow them. There's some links below if you want to know more.